Forgotten, but we lift up the torch and the fight, and we continue it here in New York, here in the city, the state of New York, and all over the world. So I am proud to always stand with you, not just in remembrance and commemoration, but we know that we must make sure we prioritize here.
For those who can't see, people are cheering because one of Tibet's longest time supporters, dedicated true friend Richard Gere.
Jai Jai